reach a little higher, find a way to light a little fire. I turn it up and never let it down. You know nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna stop us now.
On behalf of TP-Link Malaysia, I want to sincerely thank all of you for your effort, passion, and commitment to the Omada brand. The Omada Expert Program is not just another training, it's a partnership. It's our way of building a very strong ecosystem, and also we will together with you as we strengthen our expertise and elevate our influence together as true Omada Expert.
You've never been this close before. This could be the defining moment of our lives. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
From deploying a project, before deploy, during deploy, and after deploy, the support is there is superb, and we found that this make the whole journey to provide for customer is getting smoother and better.
Learn more, study their materials, do their exam, alliance with their TP-Link and Omada peoples, and also connect the peoples who are using the Omada, so you can have a bigger knowledge, bigger vision.